Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the versatile Harper 4-in-1 convertible crib in Storm Grey. A perfect blend of style and functionality for your growing child. This crib, crafted from imported wood, is not only GreenGuard Gold and JPMA certified for safety, but it also offers impressive convertibility options, transforming from a crib to a toddler bed and daybed with a separately sold conversion kit. With 3 adjustable mattress height settings, it grows alongside your child, ensuring comfort and convenience at every stage. The Harper crib's sleek design, accented by clean lines and silver tapered feet, brings a boho chic vibe with an industrial touch to any nursery. Recognized for its excellence, it proudly holds the Product of the Year Award 2020 from Creative Child Magazine and the Top Choice Award 2020 from Baby Maternity Magazine. Prioritizing safety, it features fixed stationary side rails and meets or exceeds ASTM and CPSC standards, making it a secure choice for your little one. For the perfect fit, we recommend pairing it with Evolur Sleep or Dream on Me standard size crib mattresses, and with dimensions of 54 inches in length, 30 inches in width, and 37 inches in height, it comes with a 1-year limited warranty for peace of mind. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.